Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the AR Drawing, Sketch and Paint app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. AR Drawing, Sketch and Paint is an augmented reality-based drawing assistant designed to help users improve their sketching skills by projecting guide images onto real surfaces through the phone's camera. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows artists, hobbyists, and beginners to trace complex shapes, practice proportions, and create accurate drawings using AR overlays. It also includes freehand drawing tools, step-by-step sketch modes, and customizable reference images. The app's main feature is its AR projection system. You select an image, point your camera at your drawing surface, and the app overlays the picture so you can trace it in real time. It also provides grid modes, zoom options, and adjustable opacity to help you draw more accurately. Some versions of the app additionally support video tutorials and basic coloring tools, making it useful for learning and practice. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate how easy it becomes to draw difficult subjects when the AR guide is stable and clear. Beginners find it especially helpful for learning proportions, while more experienced artists use it to create outlines quickly. The interface is straightforward, and the AR tracking works well on most modern phones. However, there are some drawbacks. The AR stability may vary depending on lighting conditions and surface texture. Some users report occasional shaking or misalignment of the projected image. Several advanced features require a subscription, and free tools can feel limited. Additionally, the app depends heavily on camera quality and device performance. In summary, the AR Drawing app may be worth using if you want an easy way to practice sketching, trace accurate outlines, or learn drawing fundamentals with the help of augmented reality. However, if you prefer traditional drawing methods or do not want to rely on AR tracking or in-app purchases, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.